Once upon a time, in a sunny savanna, lived a young lion named Leo. Unlike the other lions in his pride, Leo wasn't very big or fierce. While his brothers and sisters loved to roar and chase after animals, Leo had a softer heart. He enjoyed watching the clouds, playing with butterflies, and taking peaceful naps under the tall trees. One day, while Leo was exploring the edge of the savanna, he heard a soft, scared cry. Curious, he followed the sound until he found a tiny zebra stuck in a bush. The little zebra was tangled up in some vines and couldn't get free. "Don't worry, I'll help you," Leo said, his voice gentle and kind. The tiny zebra looked at him nervously. "But you're a lion. Aren't lions supposed to be scary?" Leo shook his head with a friendly smile. "I'm not scary. I'm here to help." With careful bites and gentle paws, Leo untangled the zebra from the vines. The zebra stood up and wiggled happily. "Thank you so much," said the little zebra. "You're not like other lions. You're brave and kind." Leo felt proud. He may not have been the biggest or loudest lion, but he knew he had something special: his heart. From that day on, Leo became known as the bravest lion in the savannah, not because of his strength, but because of his kindness. And whenever someone was in trouble, Leo was always there to lend a helping paw. And every evening, Leo would watch the sunset with his new friends, knowing that being brave sometimes meant having the courage to be kind.